practice papers on based upon the topic circles from CIE A level 9709 paper 1 topic circles. So first paper we start from easy version, then we go for the difficult and hard versions type of questions. Write down the equation of a circle with the following centers and radii. So the center is given, so x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 4 square. This becomes x square plus y square equals to 16. That is the answer for the first one. Second one, x minus 3 whole square, y minus of minus 4, y plus 4 whole square equals to 2 square. It becomes x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 8y plus 16 equals to 4. When I simplify that, I'll be getting it out x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus 21 equals to 0. Coming to the third part, x minus of minus 5 plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 5 square. It becomes x square plus 10x plus 25 plus y square equals to 25. It becomes x square plus y square plus 10x equals to 0. Write down the center and the radius for each of the circle. So when I compare with x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square with center a comma b and radius r. So for the first part, the center is 0 comma 0 and radius is 5. For the second one, the center is negative 3 comma 2 and radius is 7. For the third part, the center is 0 comma negative 4 and radius is 12. Question number 3. On a separate diagram, sketch the circles with the following equations. X square plus y square equals to 9. For that, the center is going to be 0 comma 0 and the radius is going to be 3. 0, 3, 3 and negative 3 and negative 3. This is x-axis and y-axis. For the next one, the center is 4 comma 3 and the radius is 4. So it will be like this because this center is 4 comma 3, 4 and 3. We can see that radius is 4, but this radius is 4, so it goes beyond the x-axis. Question number 4. Complete the squares for this one. So x square plus 4x, half of 4 is 2. So add 2 square, subtract 2 square. So it becomes x plus 2 whole square minus 4. Similarly, y square minus 6y, half of 6 is 3. Add 3 square, subtract 3 square. So it becomes y minus 3 whole square minus 9. Part B is asking use your answers and convert this into a standard form. So what am I going to do? First group it out, x square plus 4x and y square minus 6y equals to negative 4. Now x square plus 4x can be written as x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square minus 4, and y square minus 6y can be written as y minus 3 whole square plus 9 equals to negative 4. So what do I get it out? X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to, this was negative 9. So negative 9 goes to the other side. It becomes positive 9. Hence write down the center and the radius. Center is negative 2 comma 3 and radius equals to 3. Find a line segment connecting the 2 points 1 comma 0 and 9 comma 4 is the diameter of the circle. So this is a circle, the line segment 1 comma 0 and 9 comma 4. So the midpoint is going to be the center. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So which is going to be 5 comma 2. So the center is 5 comma 2. The distance between them is going to be the radius. So radius equals to square root of 5 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. So when I find that radius, it becomes 5 minus 1 is 4 square and 2 square, which is going to be square root of 16 plus 4, which is square root 20. Square root 4 times square root 5, 2 root 5 is going to be the radius. Determine if the circles with the equation intersect once, twice or Not at all. So what is the thing is, we have three conditions. If the circles touch each other, and circle may intersect each other, or circles do not touch each other. There are three such conditions. So what is that? In this case, if this is radius is r1 and this radius is r2, AB should be equals to r1 plus r2. Now again, the distances A to B will be lesser than r1 plus r2, and in this case this is r1 and this is r2. A to B is greater than r1 plus r2, so we have to find A and B. So first of all, the center A for the first circle is negative 4 comma 0 and radius 1 is 3. Center 2B is 2 comma 0 and radius 2 is 3. Now I'm going to find the distance AB, which is square root of 2 minus minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, which is 6 square, which is 6. R1 plus R2 is also equals to 3 plus 3, which is 6. So we can say that AB equals to R1 plus R2. So therefore they touch each other, or they intersect only once. On a sketch, show how the circle and the line have 0 intersections and 1 intersection and 2 intersections. If this is a circle, 0 intersection is this one, and 1 intersection and 2 intersections. The line y equals to x minus 1 intersects the circle with an equation, this one. Find the coordinates of the points of the intersections. So what am I going to do that? X minus 5 whole square plus y is what? X minus 1 minus 4 whole square equals to 18. X minus 5 whole square plus x minus 5 whole square equals to 18. 2 times of x minus 5 whole square equals to 18. X minus 5 whole square equals to 9. X minus 5 equals to square root of 9. So x minus 5 equals to either positive 3 or x minus 5 equals to negative 3. This gives me x equals to 8, x equals to 2. So we know that y equals to x minus 1. So what is the y value? 8 minus 1, y is 7. Y value is 2 minus 1, y is 1. So the points are 8, 7 and 2, 1. Now we go for practice paper 2. A circle has a center 6, minus 5 and goes to the point 1, 7. Find the equation of a circle. So there is a circle with center 6, negative 5 and passing through the point 1, 7. So equation of a circle is x minus 6 whole square, y minus of minus 5 plus 5 whole square equals to r square. But 1, 7 lies on this one. So 1 minus 6 whole square plus minus 5 plus 7 plus 5 whole square equals to r square. So negative 5 whole square plus 12 square equals to r square. 25 plus 144 equals to r square. So r square equals to 169. So what will be the equation of the circle? X minus 6 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equals to 169. Question number 2. Show that the circle can be written in this form where a, b and c are the integers. So what am I going to do? Group them x square plus 2x and y square minus 6y equals to negative 9. Now this is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so adding 1 square on both sides. 6 divided by 2 is 3, adding 3 square on both sides. So this becomes x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 1. Write down the center and the radius. Center is negative 1, 3 and the radius is 1. The line y equals to, next question. The line y, x plus y equals to minus 7 meets the circle. Show that the line and the circle meet at only one point. So y equals to negative x, negative 7. So plug in that one, x minus 1 whole square plus negative x, negative 7, negative 2 whole square equals to 50. So it becomes x minus 1 whole square plus negative x negative 9 whole square equals to 50. So x square minus 2x plus 1 plus x square plus 18x plus 81 equals to 50. So it becomes x square 2x square plus 16x plus 32 equals to 0. So x square plus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. It meets at only one point, means b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. So 8 square minus 4 times 1 times 16, that is 64 minus 64. So that is equals to 0. Therefore, they meet at only one point. Find the point of intersection of the coordinate. So what does that becomes? For that, what should I do? I want to find the point of intersection of the coordinates. From here, x plus 4 whole square equals to 0. So x plus 4 equals to 0, x equals to negative 4. Now substitute x equals to negative 4 in this equation. If I plug in x equals to negative 4 over here, so what do I get rid of? Y equals to negative of negative 4 minus 7. So y equals to negative 3. So what is the point? Negative 4 comma negative 3. The line y equals to 7x plus y equals to minus 6 intersect the circle at points A and B. Find the coordinates of A and B. So same, y equals to negative 7x, negative 6. So it becomes x minus 2 whole square plus negative 7x, negative 6, negative 5 whole square equals to 25. So it becomes x minus 2 whole square plus negative 7x, negative 11 whole square equals to 25. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus 49x square plus 154x plus 121 minus 25 equals to 0. So this becomes 50x square plus 150x plus 100 equals 0. It becomes x square plus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 1 times x plus 2 equals to 0. So either x equals to negative 1 or x equals to negative 2. So we know that y is minus 7x minus 6. So from here y will become 7 minus 6, y equals to 1. So negative 1 comma 1. Y equals to 14 minus 6, y equals to 8. Negative 2 comma 8. So this is A and this is B. Next, a circle C has a center minus 4 comma 1 and passes through 0 comma 3. So there is a center negative 4 comma 1 and passes through 0 comma 3. Find the equation of the circle. X minus of minus 4 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to r square. But it passes through 0 comma 3. 0 plus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square, 3 minus 1 whole square equals to r square. 4 square plus 2 square equals to r square equals to 20. So equation of a circle is x plus 4 whole square, y minus 4 1 whole square equals to 20. Find the equation of the tangent at P. So first of all, I'll find gradient of CP. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is 2 upon 4, which is 1 upon 2. So gradient of the tangent will be negative 2. So equation will be, we know the formula, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 3 equals to negative 2 times x minus 0. So y minus 3 equals to negative 2x, y equals to negative 2x plus 3. Sixth one, question number 6. The points lie on a circle show that the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So I'll find it out, AB square, which is 5 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, which is going to be 2 square, negative 2 whole square, which is 8. Then I find BC square, which is 9 minus 5 whole square, 7 minus 3 whole square, which is 4 square plus 4 square, which is 32. Then AC square, 9 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square, which is 6 square plus 2 square, which is 40. We can clearly see that AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So therefore ABC is a right angle triangle. Right triangle. Explain why line AC should be a diameter. So if I draw a triangle and we know that ACB, we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So angle B is 90 degrees means it implies AC is diameter. Find the equation of the circle. So first of all, what am I going to find? I am going to find midpoint of AC, which is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is 6, 6. Now, equation of the circle is x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to r square. Now substitute any one of the point. I'll substitute 3, 5. So 3 minus 6 whole square plus 5 minus 6 whole square equals to r square. 3 square plus 1 square equals to r square. So r square equals to 10. So what is the equation of the circle? X minus 6 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to 10. Question number 7. C2 circles C1. C2 and C3 have all their centers on the x-axis. Circle equation this one, circle equation C3, circles C1 and C2 touch at A, C2 and C3 touch at B. What is he asking? Touch at point B. Find the coordinates of the C2. So, first of all, we are going to find the center of C1. What is center of C1? Is minus 7, 0. And this radius is 2. Then C3. I have C3 equation. C3 equation, what do I have C3 equation as? X square minus 10x plus y square equals plus y square plus 16 equals to 0. Now we know that this is minus 7, 0 and the distance is 2. So therefore point A has to be negative 5, 0. How have I got negative 5, 0? Negative 7 plus 2 will give me negative 5, 0. So that is my first step. First step is A equals to negative 7 plus 2, 0, which is negative 5, 0. Now let point B. Point B is x, 0. Point B is nothing but what? X, 0. And y equals to 0 for point B. So what is the C3 equation? C3 equation was x square plus y square minus 10x plus 16 equals to 0. But at B, y equals to 0. So plug in y equals to 0. X square minus 10x plus 16 equals to 0. X minus 2 times x minus 8 equals to 0. X equals to 2, x equals to 8. So this point is going to be 2 and this point is going to be 8. So point B is 2, 0. Point B is 2, 0. Now coordinates of the center. So we came to know point B is 2, 0. And we know this point. For those 2 points, this is going to be the midpoint. The center of C2 is going to be the midpoint. center of C2 is midpoint of AB. So that is going to be minus 5 plus 2 upon 0, comma 0 plus upon 2 divided by 2, which is minus 3 upon 2, comma 0, which is minus 1.5, comma 0. Next, second question or eighth question. A circle has an equation. The lines L1 and L2 are both tangents and they intersect at origin. Explain why L1 and L2 must have be in the form of y equal to mx, where m is the gradient of the line, as they are passing through origin. As they are passing through origin means y-intercept is equals to 0. Therefore, the equation has to be y equals to mx. In the equation y equals to mx plus c, c equals to 0. Therefore, the equation has to be y equal to mx. Show that the gradients of L1 and L2 satisfy this one. So we know that equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 12x plus 14y equals to negative 68. But y equals to mx. Plug in that one, x square plus mx whole square minus 12x plus 14 times mx equals to negative 68. X square x square minus 12x plus 14mx plus 68 equals to 0. So x square common 1 plus m square minus plus x common 14m minus 12 plus 68 equals to 0. So this is A, B and C. Now because it is a tangent, b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. Let me add a page there. So what do I get? B square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. 14m minus 12 whole square minus 4 times 1 plus m square times 68 should be equals to 0. 196m square minus 336m plus 144 minus 272 minus 272m square equals to 0. Negative 6m square minus 336m minus 128 equals to 0. Divide by negative 4. It becomes 19m square plus 84m plus 32 equals to 0. Then it becomes m plus 4 times 19m plus 8 equals to 0. So m equals to negative 4 or m equals to minus 8 upon 19. Next, hence find the equations of L1 and L2 in the form of y equal to mx. So if m1 equals to negative 4, y equals to negative 4x, which is L1. For L2, m2 equals to negative 8 upon 19. So y equals to minus 8 upon 19x. That's going to be the answer. So that completes practice paper 2. So for practice paper 3, see you in the next video. Bye.